All right, new floatant applied. There we go. Fish on. Oh, that's a good fish. Holy shit. Oh, man. That is a huge fish. Come on, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel. Guys, this is a huge cutthroat. Like, really big. In the net. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Look at this fish. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm continuing my series on roadside fly fishing. Who knew there were so many cool places to go fishing right off the highway? So I'm just kind of picking random highways in Washington State, driving by whether it's a lake or a river or stream, just whatever looks good, and stopping and fishing, throwing in a line. So I have a little more gear with me this time. I did bring my waders because it has been raining. It's kind of cold, and I want to make sure that I stay warm and dry. So I have the waders with me, 2 rods and a gear bag, and I'm just headed up into the mountains, and I'm gonna hopefully find somewhere to fish today. So thanks for joining me, and let's go do this. Fish on. This is so pretty. The first season snow. How cool is that? I wonder if coming up here over the pass in the Cascades, whether I get into any snow. There's been some cooler weather. And after such a hot summer, I am so happy to see snow and cooler weather, because it was a scorcher this year. Hardly any rain, super dry. It's just refreshing to see some rain and snow up on the pass. How cool is this? What a beautiful drive. Oh, that looked good. This looks good. I think I might have found my first stop. Just look at that back there. Oh yeah, sweet. Nice little pull off here. Yeah, that looked really good. That looked pretty good, didn't it, from the bridge? And nice little pull off here. Looks like there's a campsite over there, but yeah. Let's get rigged up and throw a line in. And it's not raining, at least right now anyway. All right, let's go do this. Fish on. That looks so good. Man, there's some just great looking water. I'm just shocked I'm not finding any fish. There's some really nice holding spots. Wow, I would have guessed that spot had some fish. A little surprising. I mean, it's just beautiful holding water, but a lot of these access points here are by campgrounds, so it would make sense that it's probably pretty overfished. But I thought, rainy day, no one else out here, thought perhaps that might be, we might be able to get into a fish. But I think we get back in the Jeep and drive down the road and see if something else strikes our fancy. All right, let's go to the next spot. All right, back in the Jeep. Let's get to the next spot. I'm just gonna drive down the road and stop where it looks good. All right, let's do this. Fish on. Wow, not pretty in here at all. Following another little river here, trying to see if there might be a spot I want to pull over and try to fish. Something. This spot looks pretty good. Oh yeah. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. Wow. Down to the river. God, it's so beautiful in here. All right, I better watch where I'm walking. Not too shabby looking. Wow, it's beautiful in here. I'm gonna try my little Sculptzilla Boy, there's a big old, like a salmon fly that just flew by. That could be compelling. Tree. I got a tree. Dang it. I think I'll go down a little bit further where there's fewer trees in my back cast. Fast through here. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, yes. Nice. Ooh, it seems like it's probably just pulling against the current, but you know, oh, he's a good sized fish. Nice. It's like a cutthroat. Come on, baby, come on, we're in the soft water. Where's my net? Uh-oh. Oh, shit, I think this is a bull trout. No kidding. My net's caught on something. There we go. Oh, sweet. Look at this thing. Beautiful bull trout. Completely unexpected. My net's kind of caught on something here. Keep in the water. Let's get this guy unhooked. All right, she's unhooked. Look at that gorgeous fish. Can you see her? Wow. Beautiful bull trout. Man, what a treat. Let him go. There he goes. Oh, nice. Oh, that was so unexpected. You know, it's funny. Up to this year, I had never landed a bull trout. And now, all of a sudden, every time I go out trout fishing, I hook into a bull. What the heck? You know, that wasn't a huge fish, but pretty sizable considering how small this little creek is here. But how cool is that? All right. Well, hopefully there'll be some cutthroat in here, or maybe even a rainbow. You know, I'm not going to be disappointed if another bull trout happens to hit it. I also might try a dry fly because I'm seeing these giant bugs fly around, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go catch another fish. Fish on. The guy wouldn't commit. Pretty decent fish too. All right, guys, I have got to tie on or get out the other rod and throw the dry. It just looks just too fishy. It's too perfect water for dry fly. I'm seeing some big bugs flying around. So I've got that stimulator on and I'm gonna throw it out there. Right here. Big old Royal Coachman stimulator. Let's see if that works. See if anyone's looking up. Oh, there's one that looked up. Oh, that could be good. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Little guy. All right, you ready to swim off? There we go. Sweet. Well, that worked. Now let's just see if we can get something maybe just a little bit bigger. That'd be cool. All right. Let's see if the big boys are home. Oh, there's a bigger fish. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes. Oh, it's a beautiful cutthroat. Nice. Oh, yeah. Look at that beautiful cutthroat. Holy smokes, on the dry fly. Just knew it too. Just felt like it. This guy right here. Pretty fish. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Dad. I know. I didn't put it on the reel, and that looks pretty ugly on camera, so I'll put it on the reel next time. All right, let's go catch another fish. Fish on. Oh, I was so hoping that this would happen too. So awesome. That was a good fish. Really good fish. All right, I got a little pro fly fishing tip for you. Before you use dry shake, squeeze the water out of the fly. You'll find that your dry shake will last a lot longer if you kind of squeeze the water out of the fly. Then once you've done that, you can stick your fly into the dry shake and you're ready to go. It's got a lot of poof to it. There we go. Fish on. Oh, that's a good fish. Holy shit. Oh man. That is a huge fish. Come on, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel, get on the reel. Holy crap. Guys, this is a huge cutthroat. Like, really big. Look at this guy. Out of this tiny little stream. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of this fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, definitely fish of the day. Come on, stay buttoned. Hit the net. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Look at this fish. Oh, holy smokes. Look at the size of this fish. That thing is huge. Oh, my God. That thing is huge. In this tiny little river. Look at the size of this thing. Time to let this guy go. Wow, just a beautiful fish. I'll put it when you're ready. Oh, fish on. Wow. So before we call it a day, if you're relatively new to fly fishing, check out this video right here. If you need a little help with your fly fishing cast, I put together a very easy step-by-step process on how to cast one of these fly rods. And once you watch that video, you're gonna cast a whole lot better. I promise you that. All right, everybody. Thanks again for an amazing day. Unbelievable way to end the day with that huge West Slope cutthroat on a dry fly. I mean, does it get any better than that? I don't think so. But thanks for joining me. Until the next time, everybody, fish on.